Okay, we're gonna have a burping contest.
Again.
Well, we already had one, but now we're gonna have another one. Okay.
Again.
Okay,
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was a fail.
I know.
That was a fail too.
I failed at burping, so. That was a pretty good one. Okay. There we go.
You?
Well, it got caught in my throat and I couldn't get it out.
You so fail at
I
burping.
know, I told you that already, so. It's a heart!
What's a fart? What? What? What's a fart? What's a heart?
That was actually a pretty good one for me, the lamp. You didn't hear it, did you?
I don't know.
Jerk. Well, you have hope to compete against. I have nobody, because I don't burp that often.
We should burp more often then.
I just threw up in my
That
mouth.
was disgusting. One more. Okay.
Kayla.
Okay, go. 2 minutes of burping.
Really? That was so dumb. I get the air bubbles stuck in my throat. There we go.
Wait.
See? See what I mean?
It's because you wait too long to burp.
Kayla.
I think we're faces.
Really?
Okay, we're
Kayla.
done.